Hey friends, Wayne over here at the Ram Man, I tell you what, these disc brake kits that I put together for these old 8-lug front axles, the full-wheel drives like the Dodge W Series and the Ford F Series. So, spindle plate, caliper plate, appropriate spacers, mounts right on your hub, using these great big 1.25" wide mid-80s heavy duty rotors. That one's all boxed up. This one's getting ready to go. Hey, I tell you what, change that old heavy battle tank, put some power disc brakes on it. You won't be thinking about getting rid of it no more. God bless you, God bless America, and happy trucking. Damn, can't put them together fast enough.